our compact series. It starts at 75 CFM and it is available in increments of 75, 150, 300, and 600 CFM. It is small. Smallest unit's about the size of a microwave oven. The largest unit's about the size of a traditional under-counter refrigerator like you might put in a dorm room. And it's basically for walk-in environmental rooms and labs and universities and research facilities and stuff like that. But it is great for retrofitting and fixing jobs. I'll show you an example in a slide that follows. Electric heat only. It is either indoor or outdoor, typically installed on the roof or interstitial spaces or in the space itself. Regardless, multiple ways you can mount it. Here's an example of the military using it to flush dry air down the main guns of Army tanks that are being staged. The dry air helps keep the main gun barrel rust-free and free of corrosion. It helps keep the turret free of corrosion, and it helps keep the sensitive electronics that are in the turrets that fire the missiles that travel 50 miles and drop down somebody's chimney stack, keeps them from degrading and having issues, and keeps them functioning at their full capacity. A lot of times we will provide desiccant units similar to these on aircraft carriers, and when fighter jets fly into the aircraft carrier out in the middle of the ocean, they'll run a very small diameter, high pressure hose of desiccated air into the cockpit to keep the cockpits free of moisture and to keep the sensitive electronics dry until they turn the key and they want those fighter jets to take off again. Here's an example of using it side streamed instead of in series with an existing HVAC system, perhaps a packaged DX or chilled water rooftop, perhaps a 7.5 or 10 or 12.5 or 20-ton unit that just can't cut the job from a standpoint of dehumidifying the space properly. We will side stream and bring in 75, 150, 300, 600 CFM of air to this unit and remove 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds of moisture per hour from the air, pump it back into the inlet of this unit, and offload a whole bunch of latent capacity so this unit can now function more sensibly and do a better job maintaining the conditions in the space.